Hey everybody, I got an old Weeder crossbow workout machine I got years ago from Goodwill. Anyways, it has about 240 pounds of resistance, so I use it like if I don't go to the gym or anything. Supposedly it has 65 exercises you can do, and I think that's about accurate. You can do just about anything up here. So anyways, I just want to show you some of the stuff I do when I don't get out or go to the gym. I try to stay in reasonable shape. So if you don't have a gym membership, sometimes you can just get some little home equipment and get the job done. You don't have to spend a lot of money. This thing you can do the tricep push down is for the back of your arms, for your triceps, keeps you tight. Like I said, you can go up in weight. It's a good movement, and you can start light. But I've been doing tricep push downs for years. If you bend down a little bit, you get a different angle. You can use more of your chest by pushing down a little bit differently. So that's just a tricep push down. You can also do a version of the lat pull down. Now this thing comes with a bar. I can also use a long bar, but I like the individual hand grips because it just gives me more freedom of movement. And you can also change your grip, so you can change your grip and turn your palms facing up, and it just gives you a different angle, gives you more, like you're utilizing more of your biceps when you do that way, but you're still working your back. So this lat pull down is for your back, obviously. So that's one of the movements I like to do. This is not like a how-to workout video. I just thought I'd show you some stuff to get you motivated. If you just have some equipment laying around or access, just use whatever you have. This, and again, you can also turn around and do the basic bicep curl for your biceps. Um, you can do that as well. Nothing fancy. I also have dumbbells. You can see the dumbbells on the floor. This thing also has a leg extension. You can hook up the resistance and set at the end of the machine and do your legs as well. And you can do a leg press. I may show you some of that in a later video, but just want to motivate you to stay strong. So that's the leg extension section right there. You can do your legs as well. Just keep your head straight and get that money. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.